In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a quick unboxing of the parcel that I got from Amazon and how I take caution to ensure to protect myself while unboxing my delivery. So if you're interested in seeing that, please keep on watching. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing fantastic, and as always, I'm so excited to be back to share another video with you. And if you're here on my channel for the very first time, you're very welcome. So you don't miss any of the good stuff that I share on my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to click that bell button so you are notified of new stuff that I share on my channel. So let's go into that unboxing without further ado. So the product I got is a gym wear. I actually have been running in the house, connecting the kitchen to the dining, to the living space, to the hallway. Fantastic. I get my full body workout and I feel good. Let's check out that workout gear, okay? So that is my box right here. The first item that I got is this workout bra top. Is by Tommy Hilfiger. I got it in a small, and that is what it looks like. Okay, that's that one. And I also got a running pants. It's a Puma running leggings. That is what it looks like. I got this one in a medium because I want it to be long enough for me. As you know, I'm very tall, and this one I got from Puma. And the top thing that I got is a wig cap. I've never made a wig before. Look, that is what it looks like. It has this adjustable strap right here. So amazing. So there's two mediums inside, two wig caps. So it looks like a good quality one with lace in the front and mesh to the back. There's a medium and there's a large. So if you have big head, you can use the large one. It's really good. So my plan is for me to try and make a wig from start to finish. Another thing that I got is hyaluronic acid with vitamin C and green tea. So this is a brand called Poppy Austin. I want to try it out because I suffered a little bit of hyperpigmentation right here on my cheek. It's not really obvious now, obviously, because I'm wearing some powder. If you haven't seen how I do my makeup, my work from home makeup, please do check it out. I'm sure you would enjoy it. So that's my plan, to use that to make sure to clear that a little black head that I have right there. So I have a video on how I wash my cornrows. My hair is so rough now. It's been in cornrows. It's almost like I packed it all the way to the back. Then I did this little bun to give it a little bit of juice while I'm working from home today. These are all the things that I got from Amazon. I have all my products unboxed from here to ensure that I'm all safe and all that. I'm gonna put this away now in the recycling. Finish, I go ahead and spray my surface right here. Obviously the package came from outside my home, so that's it. I can only control what happens in my house. I can't control what is happening outside of the house. So that is from Lidl if you want to get it, okay? And I'm going to go ahead to immediately disinfect my hands right there. That is how I do my unboxing. If I receive any package from anywhere at the moment, I just don't rush to it. I make sure to take caution, open it carefully, and make sure to use my hand sanitizer immediately. But the good thing about the postmen is that they are actually very mindful about how they deliver as well. They don't hand things over to you. They leave it by your door they press on your bell and wait for you to pick it up, which is fantastic. If you've noticed in all my videos that I've been making lately, I've been saying stay at home. Please, let's keep staying at home. Let's keep staying safe with our families and making sure to follow all the precautionary measures that we've been given by the state. Okay, as always, I just want to thank you so very much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please feel free to share with your friends and family. It's all free. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I love you for watching, and I'll speak to you soon on my next video. Bye.